All right, let's see what we got. Get on down there. Yeah. 180. That's good. That's fighting weight right there, 180. I'm going to talk to you about how to measure your progress, because the weight scale is only one way I want you to measure it. Well, there are actually 4 ways I want you to think about measuring your progress. The weight scale is only one measure. But sometimes you can lose inches but not necessarily lose weight, which means you've lost some body fat and maybe gained a little bit of muscle. So don't let your weight scale be the only way you're going to measure your progress. That's number 1. I want you to get a tape measure and measure those areas where you carry your fat most. For guys, it's usually around the abdomen area. For women, it may be the buttocks or the hips, or maybe the chest. But wherever you carry your fat, I want you to use that as your measure. You're going to measure around that area and get a good measurement. And you're going to use that as a baseline. So your tape measure is going to be the second. First your weight scale, second your tape measure. Number 3, I want you to take some before and after pictures. You're going to do progress pictures at least once a month. I took my progress pictures every month, around the middle of the month. Doesn't matter when you take them, but every 30 days or so, take some progress pictures. The third way I want you to measure your progress is I want you to wear something that maybe you can fit comfortably in right now. You're going to use the same outfit for these trials here. Find an outfit that fits you comfortably. Then find one that fits you kind of snugly, that you can fit but it's a little bit tight, a little bit uncomfortable. And then find something that you have a difficult time getting into, or maybe you can't wear at this point. Because what you want to do is you want to gradually see the one that fit get looser, the one that you couldn't quite fit in very well, fitting you more comfortably, and then the one that you can't fit, ultimately you want to have that to be as your goal. That your goal is to fit in these skinny jeans, or whatever your point is you want to get to. So that's going to be number 3. You're going to find clothing that you are going to use as a measure of progress. And then I want you to do the one thing that we kind of dread is use your mirror. When you take a shower, you use your mirror. Look at that. When you let it all hang out and look at it, measure your areas where you carry your fat the most, and look at details about what the area looks like. Because you're going to be able to notice those things change as soon as you get out of the shower. You're going to notice those changes as you start to lose weight and make progress. And I want you to think about doing this at the same time pretty much each day. So first thing in the morning, the best thing you can do is measure and weigh and check your progress, that you'll do it in the morning. It's going to vary toward the end of the day. So again, weight scale is one of the ways you're going to measure. Secondly, tape measure. Number 3, clothing that fits and clothing that does not fit. And then look at yourself in the mirror. Make sure that you're doing a progress check at least every couple of days. And then do those pictures, those progress pictures once a month. You're going to weigh at least 2-3 times a week. You can weigh every day. You're going to measure a few times a week. You're going to try your clothing. Maybe once a week you'll try on different things that you maybe couldn't wear last week. But I want you to be able to measure that progress and also document. Get a journal and document your progress. What did you weigh at the beginning? What did you weigh each week? Keep notes. You're going to love me for this, because when you look at these pictures that you've had from where you are maybe now, you look at those in 6 months or in a year, you'll be glad you took those photographs. This will be your bragging rights. This is what I used to look like. So do this for me. Get your progress check going, and let's have some fun with this. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.